Hi all Snapchat users. Today's video I'm going to show you about how to fix unable to access camera on your Snapchat running on latest iOS iPhone app. So definitely you can't access the camera, so you can't put story, can't capture pictures and so many things relates to camera on Snapchat app. So first of all, what should you do? Let's start in this video. Unlock your phone screen and open the settings app. Then scroll the screen and tap screen time to remove restrictions and tap content and privacy restrictions, and then turn toggle on next to the content and privacy restrictions and enter screen time passcode. Now tap in allowed apps and here you can see camera app is under restrictions, so turn on toggle and then go to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open Snapchat app. Here we can see again black screen on Snapchat. So let's open Snapchat. Oh oops, Snapchat is a camera apps. To continue you will need to allow camera access in settings. So go to settings, turn on toggle camera in Snapchat app settings, and then again access Snapchat app. So here you can access camera on Snapchat app, and that's it. So this is the tutorial. I hope you like this video. Don't miss to subscribe my channel and tap on bell icon to get latest video notification alert first on your phone. So this is the tutorial. Thank you for watching.